Hello everybody, it's Mike Grimmett, and today we're going to be getting you a look at my brother-in-law's Echo PE230 and his Echo SRM210. They just got back from the shop. They put brand new carburetors on them. And here, real quick, we'll show this. I put a new primer bulb on my brother-in-law's blower. So I did that, and I'm gonna have to order a fuel line kit because those fuel lines on it are rock hard. Now, hold this up, and we're gonna start with the PE230, which I believe is the older version of YouTubers Lawn Boys 8461's PAS230. If you agree, you can comment. So we'll go ahead and start it. It was last running when my brother-in-law lived in his old house before he moved out. So we'll see how it starts. So it's on, choke, give it 5 primes. This thing has not been started since he brought him home. So it'll be the first start. It's 3, 2, 1. Alright, so now for the SRM210. It was last running about the same time he last cut his grass at his old house. So it's going to be a cold start, and it's already on. It's on a choke. Give it 5 primes. Yeah, this SRM210 has got a hard, the on-off switch on it's hard to move. Ooh, how about that? Fired on the first pull.